In this video, I'll show you how to send large files on Discord without Nitro. Discord has a file size limit of 10 MB for free users, but there are ways to bypass this without subscribing to Nitro. So a way for you to be able to bypass this first is to go ahead and upload your large files into a file sharing service such as Google Drive. So go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser on your device. Now in here, go ahead and head over into Google Drive. In here, go ahead and upload the large file and then click on the share icon and then set this general access section into anyone with a link and then copy the link and then paste that into the conversation that you have with that specific user and then send the link into that user to whom you want to share this large file to. That's basically how you can send large files on Discord without Nitro. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.